Okay, determine the arc length subtended by each central angle. Give answers to the nearest hundredth of a unit. So number 12 is on page 176. And we're going to use a proportion with radius equal 9.5 and central angle equal 1.4 radians. Okay, so the proportion we're going to use is arc length over circumference equals central angle over complete rotation. Substituting these values in, we have arc length over the circumference, which is 2 pi by 9.5 equals 1.4 over 2 pi. So the arc length is equal to 1.4 by 9.5, which is approximately 13.3. I should put approximately here too. Okay, so the arc length is 13.3 centimeters. Centimeters is the arc length. KB, radius is 1.37 and the angle is 3.5, the central angle. Okay, so we're going to use the formula A equals theta R. So A equals 3.5 by 1.37. So this is approximately 4.795. And the arc length is 4.80 is the arc length to the nearest hundredth of a unit. That should be equal to 4.95. I'll put equal there. KC. Well, we're going to use a proportion again. We have radius is 7 centimeters and central angle equals 130 degrees. So the proportion we're going to use is arc length over circumference equals central angle over complete rotation. So we have arc length over 2 pi by 7 is equal to 130 over 360. Arc length equals 130 or 130, 13. We'll go 13. We'll cancel zeros out. By 14 pi over 36. So that will be approximately 15.88 centimeters. To the nearest hundredth of a centimeter will be the arc length. D. Radius is 6.25 inches and central angle is 282 degrees. Using our proportions again, arc length over circumference equals central angle over complete rotation. So we have arc length over 2 pi by 6.25 equals 282 over 360. So arc length equals 282 by 12.5 pi all over 360, which will give us approximately 30.76, and that'll be inches to be the arc length.